Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super easy and delicious coconut walnut bars. The ingredients for this dessert are 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, half a cup of melted unsalted butter, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 3/4 cup of chopped walnuts, 1.5 cups of sweetened coconut flakes, Nonstick Spray, a mixing bowl, and a 9x13 glass pyrex baking dish. First, roughly break up the graham crackers using a heavy rolling pin, and once you have done that, transfer it to a blender and blend until the graham crackers are finely ground. After the graham crackers are finely ground, transfer them to a mixing bowl. Next, take 1 stick of unsalted butter and place it in a saucepan to melt, on very low heat. Once melted, add it into the graham cracker crumbs and mix it all in well. Make sure the melted butter and graham cracker crumbs are mixed in together very well, as this will ensure the graham cracker crust to be intact. Now spray a generous amount of nonstick spray all over your baking dish. Then add the graham cracker crumbs mixture and spread it in evenly using your hands. Make sure to spread it as evenly as possible. Now pour half of the sweetened condensed milk all over and spread evenly with a spatula. Then take 1 3/4 cups of roughly chopped walnuts and spread it all over, along with 1.5 cups of sweetened coconut flakes. Lastly, pour the remaining sweetened condensed milk all over. Now, take your baking dish and place it into your preheated oven of 325 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 25 to 35 minutes until the top layer has turned into a light golden brown color. Now the coconut walnut bars are ready. Take it out of the oven and let it cool down completely before cutting into it. Otherwise, the bars will fall apart. Once the bars have finally cooled down completely, cut them into any desired size you like, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all will give this delicious dessert a try. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.